engine. Please take a close look at this. Behind me is the big container. Look at this. This is the gas generation engine. Please take a close look at this. Here is in Okay. Next, let me give you an example. If you use this 500 kilowatts generator with a hydro cooling container, it can support 96 hydro miners. And if we used to work with air-cooled container, it can support 140 units of miners. This is the brand new technology, and this product has ETL certification for exports to North America. This module design can shorten the construction period and the construction cost. Also, it can provide miners with efficient energy solution. Also, we can support power customization from 250 kilowatts to 1,500 kilowatts. This equipment uses gas to generate electricity. As long as it connects to the gas and network, it can work. We checked 1 cube of gas can generate 3.32 kilowatt hour electricity, and 1 GJ can generate 96 kilowatts of hour of electricity. This generator can greatly reduce the operation cost. The average price per kilowatt hour is $0.01. At the same time, you don't need to buy an additional transformer because this generator can output 380 watts of electricity. You tell us your needs so we can provide you with a full container solution. If interested, please leave your comments in the down section.